Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to raise a bug in Jira. Alright, let's begin. First, open your Jira project. This is where you'll report the bug and manage tasks. On the project page, click the Create button. This is your starting point for logging a new issue. In the Issue Type field, select Bug. This helps your team prioritize and handle it with the right workflow. Next, enter a clear summary. Treat it like a headline, for example, "User cannot submit a form on the checkout page." After that, write a detailed description including the exact steps to reproduce the problem. Providing accurate steps helps developers diagnose and resolve the bug faster. You can also add attachments like screenshots, logs, or other files. These give additional clarity and speed up understanding. Once you've documented everything, assign the bug to the correct developer and add relevant labels such as checkout or UI bug. This improves categorization and future searches. So that's basically how you can raise a bug in Jira. That's it for this video. Thanks.